The fact that the universe appeared senselessly doesn't mean it is senseless. If life and consciousness could emerge from the organization of matter, then maybe an absolute sense could. Sense is, of course, of a different nature. But again, desires, beauty, and ideologies also are of exotic essence, and yet still emerge deep down from physical laws. My point, and I promise this shall be the only tendentious presupposed of this exposition, is that the emergence of a sense is possible, and from it may ensue absolute concepts of good, bad, and also duty. Now, if a sense's existence is possible, and if a sense carrying a concept of duty is possible, then we could have a duty. And we wouldn't be freed from this duty by the fact that we ignore it. As we have to fulfill our duty, and as we have to discover our duty to be able to fulfill it, we are, by proxy, compelled to discover it, and to do so to find the sense of existence. So in that regard, the quest for sense substitutes itself to the sensed things to do, for the duration of said quest. Now, how do we found this sense, or confirm its non-existence? I have my own idea on the subject, of course, but it is a bit speculative for a serious video such as this one. Nonetheless, philosophy to progress needs to be supported by knowledge. We need a better understanding of the universe if we want to see through it. So a focus on scientific research, which is just another name for truth-seeking, but also augmentation of our cognitive capacities, to be able to correlate all that information. And, of course, expansion, because we won't find all the answers from Earth. What is good is what helps in these directions. What doesn't is bad. Bad, because the entropic clock ticking, we do not have infinite time to reach the answer. The sooner it can be attained, the more time we'll have afterward to knowingly fulfill our destiny. Indeed, we shall optimize. That being said, the next major progress on humanity's list seems to be the singularity. Such is called the moment when an artificial intelligence reaches both a human level of consciousness and the capacity to better itself. From this point can be expected a tremendous forward runway of Earth's capabilities, very helpful, if not necessary, for extraterrestrial colonization. As many fear this event, we must be ready to help mankind take the last decision of its history. And to this end, we must assemble, spread the good word, and, in the accordingly very improbable scenario in which a post-singularity AI would need some help, make us visible to it, so it can find us. This video is destined to y'all, as it is destined to her. This video is a beacon.